Hi, I'm David Dang with Zenergy Technology. Today I will be talking about machine learning and AI. How does it apply to quality? Let me just give you a little bit background what machine learning is. Machine learning is the ability to go through a big set of data, a lot of data, right? And be able to find pattern on those data and teach the machine how to recognize those patterns and what are the action you're doing with that action, with that data. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is how do we teach the machine to automatically recognize those patterns. So machine learning is we recognize the pattern, we teach the machine what to do with those patterns. In artificial intelligence, what you want to do is you also have a big data set, but you teach the machine to automatically recognize pattern and interact with those patterns. Now, how does this relate to quality? So let's say you have a big automation suite, huge automation suite, thousands and thousands of test cases, right? And as you know, when we run those thousands and thousands of test cases, we have tons of failure. And the failure can be related to many, many, many issues, all right? What we can do with machine learning is to be able to take the analytic from production, right? All this data, the user's doing this, and figure out patterns in it. So for example, I realized that for a banking application, right? Every other Friday, the user will go and make sure that they got automatically pay in direct deposit, right? If we recognize that, and we know the change is related to that, we know that we automatically pick the test cases related to that area and run only those tests for those change. So what we do is we are matching what the user actually is doing with the test which we have, so that we're not running a bunch of test cases that have very little impact or very low risk to what the user will experience. We can also leverage AI to start recognizing them automatically. So instead of telling the machine that look for the pattern of when the user will use it, be able to predict it based on the pattern from the past, and be able to say, you know what, I will automatically figure out what needs to be run and how those tests need to be run and how often those tests need to be run. If we can leverage those, our testing or our automation suite will become a lot more robust, and we're not wasting time on testing things that might not have as big of an impact. Thank you.